So you got a 91 through 96 Chevy Caprice, Impala SS, Buick Roadmaster, any of them vehicles, man. Anything within those years, Chevrolet, you got a blinker, right? And that thing works. But then, on the other side, it's solid. The light bulbs are on. Blinkers on. Your light bulbs are perfectly fine. It works on one side, but not the other. What's the problem? So today, we're gonna show you how to go ahead and replace this guy right here. This right here is your flasher relay. All right, up top is your part number. So if you need one of these, it's exactly what you're looking for. And now I'm gonna show you how to find it, all right? So what you're gonna do is, underneath the dash, right up underneath the dash, right up in there, look at that. Those two guys right there is your hazard and your blinker flasher, okay? Very, very, very simple. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go up in there. We're gonna pull that guy out. Okay. Very simple. Goes in just like that. We're gonna get our new one here. This is our new one. And we just gonna plug that guy back in. That's simple. So then, what we'll do is come back up here and look at that. Our blinker works. Look at that. Hey family, that's pretty much it, man. Very simple. Now the one on the right was for your turn signals. Now the one on the left is for your hazards. You didn't know, if you need to check your hazards, come to the side of the steering column right here, push that in, and you can check your hazards. Now if your hazards don't flash, it's the one on the left. Now me, I got two of these. One went bad, I might as well go ahead and replace the second one. So I'm gonna get underneath there, I'll replace that one, and I'll show you guys how I do it real quick. So just in case you have the flasher issue, you can go ahead and do the same thing. All right, so now that's our blinker, that's our flasher. And that's it, family. It's that easy. These are our old ones right here. This one worked, so I might just keep this one on standby just in case. This is the, let's see, that is the original part number 552 Wagner. And I think this one right here was, there we go. This one right here was your turn signal, which is 323. And this one right here is your 552. So let's check it out and make sure everything's still working. Right blinker, left blinker. We'll go ahead and push this guy over here. And everything's blinking correctly. All right, family, so that's it for this video right here, man. Real simple. This little part right here, it'll stop the Caprice, Impala, Roadmaster, anything from 91 through 96. The blinker and your hazards, man. So I basically just showed you how to replace that. It's real simple, real easy. It's not your light bulbs. That's the problem right there. Hey, man, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share the video, whatever you want to do, man. Peace.
Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Illuminati way.